Welcome to my YouTube channel Smira My Book Teacher. Today I'm here with a video of mathematics, and today we will solve the sums of addition with the concept of check. Okay, come to the board and we will solve the sum of addition with 3-digit addition. Okay, addition with check. Today I will tell you which method we will adopt to check the question of addition. Okay, so be careful and look at the board carefully. What I am going to do, I'm going to write here a sum like 148. Okay, and this is 3-digit number. And what's the place value? I already said in my previous videos, don't forget to write the place values. Okay, the rightmost digit's place value is 1s, and other numbers place value after 1's place, 10's place, and the other place value of after 10's place is hundreds. Okay, and what we are going to do, we are going to write another number under this number, and what we will do, we will add the question. Suppose 131. Okay, simply you will solve it. Okay, how we will solve it, you know very well. What is the smaller number here? The smaller number is 1. So open the smaller number finger 1. Smaller number 1. So I open the finger 1. After it, 9. Okay. What is the smaller number in tens place? 3. Open the number of 3. Open the number of fingers 3. 1, 2, 3. After 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. And look at the hundreds place. 1 and 1, you already know, 2. Okay. And look at the board. I have written the answer under the place value 9, under the tens place 7, and under the hundreds place 2. Okay. Do this according to this method. Now what we are going to do? We are going to check the addition question. Either our question is right or wrong. When we are going to check the question of addition, what we will do? We will subtract. What we will subtract? Look at the question. What is the answer here? What we are going to do? First write here check. Okay. What we are going to do? We are going to check. What is the answer here? Answer is 279. 279. Look what we are going to do and what I am going to write here. I am going to write here the answer, and the answer is 279. Okay, 279 I have written, and similarly I have written the place values. Write the place values as well. Okay, and after the answer, what is the second number in question? The second number is 131. 131. Okay. Okay. Now to check the answer, either our question is right or wrong, what we will do? We will subtract. Okay. We will subtract the answer. Okay. We will subtract the second number from answer. Right here, subtraction symbol. This is also called minus symbol. Okay. What is the smaller number here? What is the smaller number here? 1. What we will do? What we will do? Make a fist. Make a fist, okay? And start counting after the smaller number. What is the smaller number? 1. And start counting till 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, 8 is the ones place answer. Okay, and similarly we will solve the tens place. What is the smaller number here? 3. Make a fist again and start counting after the smaller number till the greater number, and the greater number is 7. After 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. What is the number? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. 4 4 is the answer of tens place. Similarly, look at the hundreds place. What is the smaller number here? 1. Make a fist and start counting after the smaller number. 1, 2. 2 is the greater number and stop here, okay? And the answer is 1. Wow, look at the board. The answer is 148, and look at the board. 148 is present in the first number in addition question. So it means we have done the right question. We have done the right question. It means we have solved the addition sum accurately correct. Okay, this is the method to check the addition question. Okay, what we will do? First we will solve the sum of addition. Then how we will check? We will write the answer of addition sum first, and we will write the other number in addition sum under the answer. Then subtract it, and if the answer is equal to the first number, then your question is accurately okay. So this is today's class. Hope so it will help you in the solution of sums of addition. Okay. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Tomorrow inshallah I will come with a new video. Till then, goodbye.